Hey, yo, what's up, my awesome and loyal YouTube fans? It's your boy, the Tech Baller, and I'm at it again, and I'm making yet another masterpiece. Today, we're going to cover many things in my new video, and I want you guys to really get this information and enjoy everything that I have to offer. We're going to talk about phone farming, and we're also going to talk about even more ways to get seriously paid, guys. As you can see, the boy is sporting my awesome Marvel caps, with all the awesome Marvel chickies on here, as you can see. Pimping as always, we gotta keep it right. In my awesome Bruce Lee power, we gotta rep the master today, because when it comes to making paper, we gotta make it 100%, yo. I hope y'all enjoy every bit of the information in this cast. And today, I'm about to tell you about what are the right phones to use for good phone farming, and what they cost and where to get them at. I'll give you an example. Watch and enjoy. I'm back, as I said. Now, when it comes to phone farming, this is a very simple and easy thing to do. And there are millions of apps out there, my friends, that can get you paid very seriously. Now, the first one that we're going to talk about to use that's good is going to be this awesomely cool Alcatel Raven. Now, this is a great phone for multiple reasons. It's really cool. It's 4G LTE capable. You could buy it at a no contract service plan, and at the exact same time, 5-inch touchscreen, 5-inch megapixel, front-facing camera. It runs Nougat, so it runs a very updated OS, which is one of the great things about this phone. And it is Wi-Fi calling capable. Plus, the phone also can take up to a nice and easy 32 Gs, which is it's really easy to operate. Second one that we'll also get into is this bad boy. Now, this one is the ZTE 5G LTE. Once again, 5-inch touchscreen, 5-inch megapixel, front-facing camera. It also runs Nougat. Yes, and it is Wi-Fi capable as also. These phones typically, guys, cost an easy $29.99 in store. I have a ton of these guys, as usual. And when it comes to farming, they are one heck of a good investment to pretty much make. They're beast mode all day, and they will help you in your journey to get a lot of cash, and I really redeem phone farming as one of the best things ever to get involved in. It's worth a lot of cash, and trust me, guys, this is something you'll definitely want to do. And if you guys need any more tips on what equipment is best to pretty much get your hands on, I will gladly do more tutorials and more phones that are great for usage with these apps. This has been LaRon. I have enjoyed you guys' company today, and I hope you guys will watch more of my amazing show.